nature had blessed India with bounty, and history had brought many rulers attracted by its prosperity. For India, the primary problem was the shortage of food for a dangerously growing nation of starving millions.
What does Green Revolution mean?
The Green Revolution was a term coined in 1968 when our country achieved. We must go into cropping system, crop and livestock, because livestock and livelihoods are very important in our country for the poor. Livestock are very important, therefore we need fodder and feed. So we are entering a new era in our agriculture, which we can term, we hope in our Green Revolution, that is, we will take up ecologically sound methods of production.
Indigo, a plant called Indigofera tinctoria, from which a dye was extracted. Indigo, the dye that created brilliant blue cloth that became the toast of European fashion. Indigo, one of the earliest items of British trade in India, whose lucrative cultivation traveled to new colonies in America and the Caribbean. Indigo cultivation is a horrifying memory. The violence of colonial oppression and the counter-violence of peasant rebellions have both disappeared into the pages of history.
How funny! I'm looking like a joker.
Hey, do you know what this phenomenon is known as?
No?
Well, this phenomenon is known as the reflection of light.
Oh, how does it happen?
Now, when light travels through one medium and falls on another medium, some part of it bounces back to the first medium. This is known as the reflection of light. Come here, dear. Look, this is also a kaleidoscope joining 6 mirrors. Doesn't it look like a honeycomb?
Yes! My magic mirror. You are great. It is only because of you that I have recognized me as myself. Today I know how can you play games with the children. How can you give us enormous joy by standing still in one place? You're the world's best magician, the greatest. My mirror, magic.
যে শিশু ভূমিষ্ঠ হলো আজ রাত্রে, তার মুখে খবর পেলুম সে পেয়েছে ছাড়পত্র এক। মায়ের কোল আলো করে আসে নবজাতক। কোনো একটি দেশের উন্নয়নের মাপকাঠি হিসাবে ওই দেশের শিশু মৃত্যুর হার, মাতৃত্বকালীন মৃত্যুর হার, সাক্ষরতার হার, গড় আয়ু, লিঙ্গবৈষম্যের হার, এই 5টি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়কে অন্তর্ভুক্ত করা হয়। অপুষ্টি গর্ভ থেকে জন্মানো অনেক শিশুর জন্মের সময় ওজন কম থাকে, ফলে তারা নানা রোগের শিকার হয়। মানব সম্পদ বিকাশে প্রথম ভিত্তিপ্রস্তর হল শিশুর সার্বিক বিকাশ। সমাজ কল্যাণ ও সমাজ শিক্ষা দপ্তর রাজ্যের মানব সম্পদ তথা শিশু উন্নয়নের বিভিন্ন প্রকল্প বাস্তবায়ন করে চলেছে।
Listening to a famous composition. Now let's see how a guitar is played. Look, in a guitar there are so many strings. If I pluck a string with my hand, it produces a sound. Sound is also produced by the vibration of air columns. Therefore, we can conclude from here that the quality of sound will be different for different lengths of the air column. Hello! Did you hear the sound? Do you know what it is? It is known as an echo. Rays from the sunlight also contain ultraviolet radiations, and these radiations are prevented from reaching the earth by means of our ozone layer. But do you know, this ozone layer, it is depleting due to the dangerous greenhouse effect, and this will cause a serious threat to our future generations. Thus, we really need to check ourselves right now.
Atomic energy. How closely are you associated with it? Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, who pioneered the usage of nuclear energy in our country.
With the doubling of the world's population within the next 100 years, which is the least that we can expect, this would exhaust the known reserves of fossil fuels in under a century.
Today, his quest to delve deep into the unknown is supported with much advanced technology and research, and is carried on in numerous nuclear institutes and cyclotron centers all over India.
Since the dawn of civilization, metals have played a key role in the life of man. Long before our primitive forefathers made a deliberate use of metal, out of 90 naturally occurring elements, 70% are metals. Aluminium is the most abundant metal. The word metal is the ultimate way to the high-tech modern civilization. London, 1863. The time and place where mankind began to write a new history of travel and communication. In the same year, London saw the miracle of modern science and technology. On the 10th of January that year, the world's first underground railway thundered under the ground along the river Thames, under the feet of 1,000 of surprised Londoners. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, and then Chief Minister of West Bengal, first time in 1949, conceived the idea of building an underground railway for Kolkata. Messrs. Techno Export of Moscow sent the team in 1970. Indian engineers adopted advanced technologies in the fields of metro for the first time in India with the help of state government of West Bengal. All intricacies centering round building metro railways came to a solve. From 24th October 1984, metro rails are carrying regularly approximately 4 lakhs of commuters throughout 17 stations with a great comfort.
world of mathematics. Here we see the tree of numbers, and in these trees we see different ways of representing. We see different forms like triangle, quadrilateral, hexagon, octagon, hyperbola and parabola. Have you heard the name of Srinivas Ramanujan? The greatest mathematician India has ever produced. He was born in 1887 in a poor family in the southern province of India. He has contributed tremendously to the analytical number theory and to many other branches of mathematics.
Birla Industrial and Technological Museum. Golden Jubilee celebration of Birla Museum.
50 দশক সদ্য স্বাধীন হয়েছে ভারতবর্ষ। দ্রুত জাতীয় উন্নয়নের চিন্তা দেশের নেতাদের মাথায়। ছাত্র সমাজ এবং সাধারণ মানুষের কাছে বিজ্ঞান ও প্রযুক্তির প্রতিচ্ছবি তুলে না ধরলে আধুনিক ভারত গড়া যে সম্ভব নয় তা খুব ভালো করেই জানতেন তৎকালীন প্রধানমন্ত্রী পণ্ডিত জওহরলাল নেহেরু এবং পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ডক্টর বিধানচন্দ্র রায়। প্রগতিশীল শিল্পপতি ঘনশ্যাম দাস বিড়লা বাড়িয়ে দিলেন সহযোগিতার 2 হাত। 1956 সালে তার বাড়ি এবং সংলগ্ন এলাকার একটা বড় অংশ পণ্ডিত নেহরুর হাতে তুলে দিলেন। বিড়লা পার্ক হয়ে গেল ভারতের প্রথম সফল সরকারি সায়েন্স মিউজিয়ামের ঠিকানা, যা আজকের বিড়লা শিল্প ও কারিগরি সংগ্রহশালা।
My father was very intimate with Mahatma Ji, Pandit Ji and Dr. B.C. Roy. He consulted them. He said that what should we do with the house?
सुंदर तितली के पंख तोड़ दिए।
अरे रे 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 रे, ये तुमने क्या किया? उसने तुम्हारा बिगाड़ा था क्या जो तोड़ दिए ये पंख इसके? कष्ट बहुत हो रहा इसे। जानते हो तितलियां अंडा किस पेड़ पर देती हैं? पीपल, बेल और नींबू, आकंद आदि किसी एक को चुन लेती हैं। हाथ पैर का जोर लगाकर अपनी पूरी ताकत से निकलती है। एक सुंदर तितली अपनी पूर्णांग अवस्था में। उसके बाद नई तितली के पंख तब भीगे और सिमटे रहते हैं। सूर्यलोक में पंख पसारे घंटा भर वह रहती है। धीरे धीरे पंख सूखते और सख्त हो जाते हैं। प्रकृति में रंग बिखेरने फुर्र उड़ जाती है।